Hey St. Louis, this is Damon Johnson from Alive Magazine, letting you know about the all-new AliveMag.com, set to drop June 1st, 2010. For months now, you've been asking for more dynamic content, local directories, and of course, party pics. And we're delivering with the totally redesigned AliveMag.com. The new AliveMag.com makes it even easier for you to get your info on where to go, what to eat, and what to wear from St. Louis's most trusted source in fashion, nightlife, dining, and culture, Alive Magazine. So get ready for the all-new AliveMag.com. And be sure to log on June 1st for your chance to win 2 tickets to the summer's hottest show, Lady Gaga. If it's happening in St. Louis, it's on AliveMag.com. See you online, St. Louis.